Hello, children. Today we are going to discuss the last topic in this chapter. Before that, can we recall something important what we already discussed? As we already know, green plants are autotrophs. So they can prepare their own food. In the process, photosynthesis. After photosynthesis, plants will prepare carbohydrate in the form of glucose. Have you seen farmers spreading manure or fertilizers in the field? Do you know why they are adding fertilizers or manure to the soil? Plants absorb mineral nutrients from the soil along with the water. When plants are absorbing these nutrients, the amount of nutrients in the soil will decrease. Then again the plants will not get nutrients. So plants will not grow healthier. So soil need to enrich or soil need to restore the nutrient. Our today's topic is how nutrients are restored in the soil or how nutrients are replenished in the soil. Fertilizer, manure contain plant nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. This fertilizer is man-made, which is prepared in the factories. And manure is a natural substance which obtained by the decomposition of plant and animal waste. These two are used by the farmers to enrich the soil. Fertilizers and manures need to be added from time to time to enrich the soil. Usually, crops require lots of nitrogen to make protein. Protein is very much important for all living organisms to make new cells. After the harvest, the soil becomes deficient in nitrogen. Nitrogen gas is available in air, but plants cannot use it through stomata, like how it takes carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. They need nitrogen in the soluble form in the soil. Do you know what is this? These are legumes produced by leguminous plants. That means പയറുവർഗ്ഗങ്ങൾ. There is a speciality for these leguminous plants. Look at the root of leguminous plant. In the root, you can see small ball-like structure called nodules. In the root nodules of leguminous plants, there is some friendly bacteria called Rhizobium bacteria. And this Rhizobium bacteria and the leguminous plant both are having a relationship called symbiosis. Symbiosis you already learned in the case of lichen. Two living organisms living together and sharing each other. Like that, here this bacteria and the plant is mutually sharing each other. We can see what the bacteria and plant are sharing. Rhizobium bacterium can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into a soluble form in the soil. But Rhizobium cannot make its own food. So it lives in the roots of gram, peas, mung, beans and other legumes and provides them with nitrogen. Most of the pulses are obtained from leguminous plants. This plant is green in color, so it can perform photosynthesis and prepare its own food. And the plant provides food and shelter to the bacteria. And in return, bacteria will provide nitrogen to the plant. This bacteria will absorb nitrogen from the air and store it in the soil. So plant can absorb nitrogen from the soil. So they have symbiotic relationship. This symbiotic relationship between bacteria and the leguminous plant is utilized by the farmers. They do not need to add nitrogen fertilizers to the soil in which leguminous plants are grown. So farmers will plant leguminous plants in the field. After the harvesting of these leguminous plants, soil will be enriched with nitrogen nutrient. We can conclude today's class how nutrients are replenished in the soil. The first method is nutrients are replenished in the soil by adding fertilizer and manure. Fertilizers and manure contain plant nutrients which will enrich the soil, and plants will absorb the nutrients along with water. Method is by planting leguminous plants in the field. The root nodules of leguminous plants contain friendly bacterium called rhizobium, which have the ability to take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into soluble form in the soil. These bacteria live in the roots of leguminous plants. Today we have discussed about how nutrients are replenished in the soil, and the methods are by adding manure, by adding fertilizers, and by planting leguminous plants in the field. Thank you.